Hello, this is Mr. Wynn, and this video is about angles of triangles. There are two main formulas we're going to use when trying to find angles inside of a triangle. The first one is called the triangle sum theorem. The three angles of a triangle add up to 180 degrees. So it's angle A plus angle B plus angle C is 180, or you can say the first angle plus the second angle plus the third angle equals 180 degrees. Notice this triangle below, the three angles inside 50 degrees plus 100 degrees plus 30 degrees do add up to 180. Also, if you remember the equilateral and equal angular triangle, remember the three angles were each 60 degrees, so 60 plus 60 plus 60 also makes 180. Triangles always add up to 180 degrees. So here's just find the value of x. We have two angles, 70 and 74, and then a missing angle, 2x. Remember, don't assume this is an isosceles triangle that looks like it. We need the triangle sum formula. It's really good to be able to write the formula and the name. Angle plus angle plus angle equals 180. You're going to fill it in. So it's called the first angle 2x, plus the second angle is 70, plus the third angle is 74, equals 180. We're going to combine like terms. 2x plus 74 plus 70 makes 144, equals 180. Then we're going to subtract 144. That makes 36. Divide by 2. X equals 18. Question says, what is x? We found it. It didn't say plug it in, but if we did, 2 times 18 is 36. Notice 36 plus 70 plus 74 does add up to 180 degrees. Here's just find the measures of angles B and C. Alright, well, we have a triangle. We know that the angles, the three angles inside it, although some of them are in expression form. But that's okay. Again, we're going to do triangle sum. Be able to write the name and the formula. The name's needed when we're doing proofs. So three angles add to 180. Fill in the formula. The first angle is called 6x minus 1, plus the second angle is called 5x plus 17. And the third angle is 54, equals 180. We're going to combine like terms. 6x plus 5x makes 11x. Negative 1 plus 17 is positive 16. Positive 16 plus 54 makes positive 70, equals 180. We're going to subtract 70 both sides. Divide by 11. Get 10. Do they want x? The answer is no. They say they want angles B and C. So we're going to plug it in. B is 5 times 10 plus 17. 5 times 10 is 50 plus 17. That makes 67 degrees. All right, for C, that is 6 times 10 minus 1. 6 times 10 is 60 minus 1. That is 59 degrees. So we found both of them. All right, here's just find the value of x. Notice this is an isosceles triangle. I know that because there's these two marks right here. Remember, two equal sides means two equal angles. So this angle goes to this side, this angle goes to this side. So we know that this angle right here, C, is also a 6x plus 6 degrees. All right, so I'm going to need that in a second. So we know the three angles inside triangle, so we're going to do triangle sum. An angle plus angle plus angle equals 180. So the first angle is called 2x, plus the second angle is 6x plus 6. Third angle is 6x plus 6 as well, equals 180. We're going to combine like terms. Let's try and fix that. All right, so combining terms, 2x plus 6x is 8x, 6 more makes 14x. Positive 6 plus 6 makes 12. That equals 180. We're going to subtract 12 both sides, so that's 14x equals 168. Then we're going to divide both sides by 14. X equals 12. Question says, find the value of x. We found the value of x. All right, so x is 12. We plugged it in. We don't have to. You'll notice that all three angles do add up to 180. All right, the other formula involving triangles and angles is related to this. So it says, if you're this boy on the couch and wanted to watch all three TVs, but you could only use the remote for two of them, two remotes, which televisions would you get the remotes for? Help me know, remotes for, I will say, lazy people. So you want to use it for the TVs farthest away. Well, you want to use your TV B up here and TV A right here. All right, those are called remote interior. All right, hopefully you've gone to a remote location. That means far away location in the middle of nowhere, right? All right, so we have what we call the exterior angle theorem. So the remote interior plus the other remote interior equals the exterior. All right, so all comes from R plus R equals E. Remember, the exterior angle is outside, while the remote interiors are inside, farthest away. All right, one more thing to keep in mind is an exterior angle must come from extending the line from one of the sides of a triangle. All right, so here are the 6 exterior angles for remote interior. So if I extended this line right here, this is the exterior angle, and here's the 2 remote interiors. So I'll do R plus R equals E there. But what if I drew, I'm going to erase that. What if I drew another one? What if I extended the line this way? Here's the exterior angle, and this is the same 2 remote angles. All right, I wonder if you've noticed this. If I kept that original line, notice that these are, I'll do right here, these are vertical angles. That's why they're the same thing, right? So also for a different angle, what if I extended this right here? If I extended this is the exterior angle. This would be the remote. This would be the remote. If I extended the side, this side right here, this is the exterior angle. Those are still the 2 same remotes. Again, those 2 exterior angles are vertical of each other, so they're the same. And last, if I extend the top one, let's extend it this way. This is the exterior angle. The 2 farthest interior angles, the remote interiors, are right here and right here. All right, let's get E. Or if I extend the line this way, here's the exterior. But you see the same 2 R's, 2 remotes. All right, so keep that in mind. So let's check the formula out. It says R plus R equals E. All right, so the formula, R plus R equals E, and this is the exterior angle theorem. The first R we said was 82. Second R is 42 equals X. 82 plus 42, that is 124 equals X. We found X, 124 degrees. All right, but is there another way we could solve for X besides using R plus R equals E? The answer is yes. Notice, inside this triangle, we know 2 of the angles. We know 42 degrees and 82 degrees. We can find this missing, we'll call it Y. I can't call it X, X outside. We can do triangle sum. So angle plus angle plus angle equals 180. Fill in that formula. So 42 plus 82 plus Y equals 180. Combine like terms. That is 124 plus Y equals 180. Subtract 124 both sides. Y equals 56. I just found, I'm going to erase this angle Y to be 56 degrees. Can I use that to find X? The answer is yes. That makes a linear pair. Don't forget your linear pair. Very, very important. Linear pair and vertical angles. Linear pair says angle plus angle is 180. All right, so the first angle is, we'll call it 56. Second angle is X equals 180. Subtract 56 from both sides, you get 124. We found X. So instead of using the R plus R equals E to get 124, we use triangle sum followed by linear pair. So if you use that as a combination, that can sometimes avoid having to use the R plus R equals E, the exterior angle theorem. Now I can always avoid it, but sometimes it makes it more complicated. So for here, it would make it more complicated. I don't know, well, I don't want to do triangle sum. I just want to do R plus R equals E. All right, so the remote interior plus remote interior equals exterior. And you put E first. You want to do E equals R plus R, that's fine. But the first, or the interior, the remote is 13x minus 67, plus second angle is 2x minus 3 equals the exterior, 11x minus 14. We are going to do combine terms. 13x plus 2x, that's 15x. Negative 67 minus 3 makes negative 70. This right side, there's nothing to do. Again, combine terms is on the same side only. I'm going to solve for x, so I'm going to subtract 11x both sides to make this 4x minus 70 equals negative 14. Then I'm going to add 70 both sides. That's going to be 4x equals 56. Yep. Then I'm going to divide by 4. I get x equals 14. What's the question? It says find x. We found x. Remember, x isn't an angle, it's not degrees. Remember, when you plug in that angle itself, x is the value. Once you plug in, then you get the angle. Alright, last one. Find the measure of angle ACB. What is that? A is angle A to C to B. They're saying find this thing right here. Alright, this is going to be a multi-step problem. That's okay. My idea is I'm going to solve for x and then either do triangle sum or linear pair. We'll find out what I'll do in a little bit. So right now we can solve for x by doing r plus r equals e. Fill in the formula. So 11x plus 30 plus 16x minus 45 equals e. 26x minus 10. Combining terms, 11x plus 16x plus 17x. 30 minus 45 makes negative 15 equals 26x minus 10. Get x one side, so I'm going to subtract 17x. That makes this 9x. Alright, let's see. 1 second. Alright, slight correction. Let me erase that. 11x plus 16x is 27x, not 17. My shadow is covering that one. Alright, so actually I'm subtracting 26x both sides to make this a single x. Minus 15 equals negative 10. Add 15, x equals 5. Find ACB. Let's plug it in. I'm going to plug into this right side. 26 times 5 minus 10. 26 times 5. Let's see what that is. 50, 100, 130. Minus 10. That's 120. Now that's 120. I can do a linear pair. I'll sleep this red. Alright, so I'll say linear pair. So that's really just 180 minus 120. That gives me 60. So this is 60 degrees, final answer. Or I could have plugged it into the left angle A and B and then triangle sum. I still would have got 60 degrees and then. Alright, that's it for the video. Hope you enjoyed watching it. Make sure you ask any questions. See you soon. Bye.